हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय परफ्यूम माय पैशन। आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज मेरा टॉपिक है हाउ टू ऐड इसेंशियल ऑयल्स एंड एरोमेटिक केमिकल्स टू द रेडीमेड कंपाउंड्स ऑफ द फ्रेगरेंसेस। यानी कि जो ऑलरेडी से पहले से जो परफ्यूम बने हुए हैं उनके अंदर और केमिकल्स डाल के उनकी खुशबू को कैसे ट्विस्ट करें, हाउ टू ट्विस्ट द नोट्स बाय एडिंग सिंपल. For this purpose, today I have selected two fragrances. One is Open and another is One Man Show. This is Open fragrance and this is One Man Show fragrance. Okay. Now these two fragrances will be added by two different chemicals, or you can say essential oils, to boost or change the note of this fragrance. As I told you earlier, my intention is not that Open or One Man Show is incomplete. No, it is my experience or my vision. If we add something extra apart from this, we may get some better result or something different. No doubt these fragrances are fulfilled and complete. So these two fragrances will be added by these two, or I would say this is one is oil, is essential oil patchouli, and this is also essential oil, or you can say aromatic chemicals, whatever. This is called bergamot. Before I proceed, let me explain you the note. One Man Show is a quite popular, quite old, everybody knows, a spicy musky note. And Open is also with the same note. The difference is Open has a more spicy note, more fine spicy note rather than One Man Show. So today I will do practically these things in front of you, because most of my viewers are not able to understand how much quantity to be added. So for those people, I have just simply tried to make it more simple, and I will just simply add in front of you. I'll explain also part, what is part and how we take part. So let's start. Okay. One Man Show will add bergamot oil, okay, and in Open we'll add patchouli oil. Fine. Apart from this, I have one more perfume called Polo X, and I'll let you know that what you have to add in Polo X. Okay, so let's start. As you know, I take everything part. So for you people, I'll explain you what is part. For example, I take one part of Open. Okay, Open perfumes, beautiful. So now, how to calculate part? Simple. This is, I take, this is 10 ml jar, I will take 5 ml. So I have taken 5 ml. Okay. Now in 5 ml, you can take it as a one part. Fine. So I have taken this 5 grams of Open. Now I'll add 5 grams of Open in one jar, right? And in Open, I will take patchouli. Now patchouli I will take 1 gram. So here's a dropper. This is 1 gram patchouli. So this is 1 gram of patchouli, right? Now this your was 5 part or 5 grams added by 1 gram of patchouli. Now what is the impact of patchouli has made? Good, beautiful. according to me, of course. So this how you have changed by adding simple patchouli. Okay, now I'll take one mensho. This time I'll take one mensho 10 ml. Okay, ml 1 mensho. Okay, now again the other one 10 ml. Now we have to add bergamot oil. In this bergamot is a quite sharp note, lemonish, fresh note. So we'll add 2 grams, 2 ml you can say. This is see 2 ml. Okay. Now 1 mensho and bergamot. Good. It's just a guideline. You can add more, you can reduce the quantity. Fine. So ये आपका 1 mensho ट्विस्ट हो गया है. So friends, आज हमने 2 फ्रेग्रेंस को ट्विस्ट किया है. एक था 1 mensho, दूसरा था ओपन. Now one more fragrance, Polo X. Okay, Polo. I will take Polo again 10 grams. And here in Polo I will add 5 grams of bergamot oil. 5 grams of bergamot oil and 1 grams of patchouli. This is 1 gram of patchouli. Now this is Polo X twisted by bergamot and patchouli. Good. So friends, इस तरह से हमने 3 फ्रेग्रेंस को जो है ट्विस्ट किया है. और सबसे बड़ी बात आज ये हुई कि आज आपने किसी परफ्यूम में कोई परफ्यूम नहीं डाला है. You have added chemicals or essential oils to the existing fragrance 1 mensho, Open or Polo X. So try this formulation at your home. Do give me your feedbacks and don't subscribe my channel unless and until you like it, or you like it then you subscribe it. Bye.